Take out the bond prepared to dry your nail bed. Apply the base to your entire nail, from middle left to right, and brush it evenly. Then dip into the color powder. Stay for a while, take it out and tap it off. Brush off the excess powder. Apply the base again, and make sure you brush it evenly. Then dip into the color powder. Stay for a while, take it out and tap it off. Brush off the excess. Take out the sequins. Apply the base again and make sure the sequins will stick on the nail surface. Using a small brush to sprinkle them on the nail plate. Just tap tap tap, tap it off. And then using a tweezer to pick up a shell-like decal. And pick up some hologram stripings. And make sure them will stick on the nail plate. Apply the base again, and using a nail stick to apply the clear powder on to protect the nail surface. Using the number 4 brush saver to help you to clean the dirty brush. And when it gets clean, using a lint-free wipe to wipe off the excess glue. File your nail surface by a drill machine from nail place to cuticle area. Shake your nails by a nail file. Do the buffing by a buffer. Using the lint-free wipe to wipe off decals. Apply one-time activator. And then apply the first layer of top. When it gets matte but still sticky, we can start to apply the second layer. And then pick up a pearl decal on.